Hello, good morning everyone and welcome to day 26, and in this session we will be going to discuss about the mean and median question. In same question we will be finding the mean and median. 5 marks, very important question. To find mean we will be going to use step deviation method, a very important method. There are three methods. One is your assumed mean method, one is direct method, one is step deviation method. Step deviation method we will be using whenever the calculation part is somewhat difficult, then we will be going with the step deviation method. But they will not ask you solve using step deviation method, but in sometimes in basic mathematics, that is your CBSE basic mathematics paper, they are particularly asking you solve using step deviation method. That is why you are going to solve with the step deviation method. To find using step deviation method, what are the things we need to know first? In class interval they will give you, in the question it tells, they will give you the class interval as well as the frequency. After giving the class interval as frequency, in first step you need to find xi. What is your xi? Xi is your class interval, that is your 85 plus 90 divided by 2, then you will get a xi value. Next step is your finding ui. Ui is xi minus a divided by h. Ui formula is xi minus a divided by h. First one, second, and third one is multiplying fi into ui. Multiplying fi into ui. Then substituting in the given formula, then we will be getting the mean. Let us solve the question. Class interval they have given you. Frequency also they have given you. Now we need to find the xi. Xi, what did I say? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. What is your upper limit? 85. Upper limit is 90, lower limit is 85. 90 plus 85 divided by 2, you will get 87.5. In the same way, we need to calculate it for the other class interval. Then you will get completely xi. Now to find the ui, you need to know xi, a and h. H is your class difference. If we subtract these two, 90 minus 85, then difference will be 5. All the difference will be 5. Then your h value is 5. Now your formula is xi equal to ui equal to xi. Xi is this value we need to take for first one. For second one, again we need to take 92.5 and so on. Now let us solve the one question. Xi is 87.5. What is a? A is your assumed mean. We need to consider a value in the xi value. A value in the xi value, that is your middle data. Either you can take 97.5 or either 102.5. Anyone you can use. Now I have taken a value as a 102.5. I have taken a value as 102.5. If you can take a value as 97.5, you will get the same answer only. Now divided by h. Xi is 87.5. What is a value? 102.5 divided by h. After subtraction, you will get 15 by 5. Then 5 ones are 5 3 minus. Bigger number is minus, so minus 5 ones are 5 3. You will get minus 3. Next 92.5 minus 102.5 divided by 5, then you will be getting minus 2. In the same way, you will get the values of ui. Step 1 is over, step 2 is over. What is your fi ui? Multiplication of fi, frequency and ui. This is your fi and ui we got. 15 3s are 45, 22 is 44, 20 into 1 is, 20 into 1 is 20, 18 into 0 is 0, 20 into 1 is 20, again 25 into 2 is 50. Then you will get fi ui. This is the mean. Now to find what is your formula for step deviation method, to find the mean by using step deviation method, our formula is mean x bar equal to a. What is your a? A is assumed mean. A value here it is 102.5. A plus summation of fi into ui. You need to sum fi ui. If you are summing fi ui, I am getting it as minus 39 divided by fi. Again summation of fi. Summation of fi here it is 120 into h. H is your class difference. Now let us substitute. A value is 102.5 plus fi ui we got, summation of fi ui we got minus 39 divided by summation of fi is 120 into 5. Let us cancel here. 5 ones are 5 2s are 10, remaining is 20, 5 4s is 20. Left with 3 ones are 3 3s are and 3 8s are, left with 13 by 8. After cancellation of 13 by 8, then you will get 1.625. 102.5 minus 1.625, then answer you will get 100.875. This is the way of solving a step deviation method. Step deviation method is very easy whenever if the given class interval is somewhat higher. Otherwise, if it is 1 to 2, 2 to 4, then you can directly solve using the direct method or assumed mean method. But whenever it is a longest calculation, then you use step deviation method. It will be somewhat easy for the calculation part. Now let us solve the median. To find the median, Only two things we need. They will give you the class interval, they will give you the frequency. These things we don't need. Now whenever the question is related to the median, class interval they will give you, frequency also they will give you. We need to find the cumulative frequency, that is your CF. How will you find the CF? Write down 15 as it is, then 15 plus 22 you will get 37, 37 plus 20 you will get 57, 57 plus 18 you will get 75, 75 plus 20 you will get 95, 95 plus 25 you will get 120. Check. Last value should be same with your summation of Fi. Always the last value of the CF will be same, should be same with the summation of Fi. Then only your calculation will be correct. This is your method. Now what is your formula to find the median? Our formula is median equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by F into H. Let us know what is L. L is your lower limit of the median class. We don't know what is the median class. To find the median class, our formula is n by 2. Our formula is what? N by 2. What is your n? N is your total frequency. Total frequency is 120 divided by 2 is 60. Now we got 60. We need to search a value which is greater than 60 in the CF. Now greater than 60 value is 75. Greater than 60 value is 75. In the 75 we need to go for the class interval. This is your median class. What did I say? Do n by 2. After getting n by 2, now value we got 60. We need to search first value which is greater than 60 is 75. Then in the same interval the class interval will be present. 100 to 105 will be your median class. One more question also they will ask you, what is the median class of the question? What is the median class of the question? What is the median class? 100 dash to 105. Sometimes they will ask you what is the lower limit of the median class, what is the upper limit of the median class, or sometimes add lower limit and upper limit of the median class. Any type of question, one marks question they may ask you. Now let us substitute. What is the lower limit? Lower limit is 100. Now plus n by 2 is 60. N by 2 is 60 minus CF I need. CF value I need. Now here we got a lower limit, that is your median class. Above median class this value will be your CF. Right, above the median class CF value we need to find. Then CF will be your 57. 57 will be CF and 18 will be your F value. Three things you need to observe. You need to find n by 2 first. Go with the n by 2. Go with the 60 above, greater than 60 above number is 75. In the same number you need to search for the median class, and in the frequency this 18 will be your frequency. Above the frequency will be your CF. Now our frequency is 18. Frequency is 18, CF is 57 and height is your class difference is 5. Then cancellation 100 as it is. 60 minus 57 is 3 into 5 divided by 18. 3 ones are 3, 6 are 18. 5 divided by 6 you will get 0.833. Add 100 plus 0.833. Then you will get 100.833. So on. Thank you for